Trigger release for legs focuses on relieving tight muscle knots that restrict movement and cause discomfort. These trigger points often develop in calves, hamstrings, quadriceps, and glute muscles due to overuse or poor posture. Gentle sustained pressure helps calm overactive muscle fibers and restore healthy blood and nerve circulation. Techniques may include thumb pressure massage, balls foam rolling, or slow bodyweight compression methods. Breathing deeply during release allows the nervous system to relax and accept the pressure safely. Trigger release for legs can improve flexibility, walking efficiency, balance, and lower body strength performance. It is especially beneficial for athletes, dancers, long-distance walkers, and people with sedentary lifestyles. Releasing leg trigger points also supports knee, ankle, and hip joint alignment and stability. Sessions should be slow, controlled, and never forceful to avoid muscle guarding or irritation. With regular practice, trigger release enhances recovery, reduces pain, and supports smooth, effortless leg movement.